Vulnerability management is an ongoing process that helps organizations find, assess, prioritize, and fix security weaknesses in their systems, networks, and applications. The goal? To reduce risks and protect valuable assets, from data to reputation. The process includes 6 key steps: identification, spotting vulnerabilities through automated tools, manual testing, and threat intelligence, assessment, evaluating how severe each vulnerability is and its potential impact, prioritization, deciding which vulnerabilities need fixing first based on risk, remediation, applying patches or fixes, verification, confirming the fixes work without causing new problems. Monitoring, continuously watching for new vulnerabilities. Finding vulnerabilities is the first crucial step. Here are some common techniques: automated scanning. Tools like Nessus and OpenVAS scan networks and systems for known vulnerabilities. For web apps, tools like OWASP Zap and Burp Suite detect common issues like SQL injection or cross-site scripting. Manual testing. Skilled security professionals perform penetration tests or review code to find hidden issues automated tools might miss. Threat intelligence. Staying updated with security advisories and threat feeds helps identify emerging vulnerabilities. Configuration review. Ensuring system and application settings follow best security practices to avoid misconfigurations. Fast testing. Feeding random or unexpected input data to software to find crashes or bugs. Tools like AFL do this effectively. After fixing vulnerabilities, organizations must make sure these flaws don't come back. This is called vulnerability regression testing. Why is it important? Because system updates or new code changes can unintentionally reintroduce old vulnerabilities. Testing includes rerunning automated scans with tools like Nessus, manual verification by security experts, using regression testing suites to check if fixes still hold, verifying patch deployments. Integrating testing into continuous integration continuous deployment pipelines for ongoing checks. These programs provide a safe, structured way for ethical hackers to report security issues. They help organizations fix vulnerabilities before attackers exploit them, collaborate with security researchers, protect their reputation, offer legal protections for reporters acting in good faith. Key parts include a clear disclosure policy, secure reporting channels, vulnerability assessment, and a remediation process with ongoing communication. Not all vulnerabilities are equal. To manage risk effectively, organizations analyze and rank them based on severity and potential impact. This helps with allocating resources wisely, reducing risk by focusing on critical issues first, complying with regulations, preventing security incidents. They evaluate details like affected systems, exploit complexity, and business impact. Then they assign severity scores using systems like CVSS or risk matrices. Speaking of scoring, the Common Vulnerability Scoring System, or CVSS, is a standardized framework to measure vulnerability severity from 0 to 10. It breaks down into 3 metric groups: base metrics, core features of a vulnerability like attack vector, complexity, required privileges, and impact on confidentiality, integrity, and availability; temporal metrics, factors that can change over time, like exploit availability or fixed status; environmental metrics, how a vulnerability affects the specific environment, considering business context. Using CVSS helps teams prioritize fixes and communicate risk clearly across the organization. Advanced scoring methods go beyond CVSS by including threat intelligence data, real-time info on active exploits and attack trends, exploitability trends, how available or widespread exploit code is, business impact analysis, how vulnerabilities could affect operations, finances, and reputation. This provides more tailored and dynamic risk assessments aligned with business priorities. Practice exercise. What does the Common Vulnerability Scoring System, CVSS, provide? The modified attack vector, MAV, is an environmental metric reflecting the attack vector in the specific context of an organization.